Today we have some unique looking wired earphones. I know it has been a while, and that is because most people are indeed using wireless earbuds these days. But what do we get? Well, what you get within the box is the Coffee Bean earbuds themselves. They do come relatively well packaged and protected. They do come in this black/transparent combination colour tone only, I'm afraid. And as you can see, there are them 10mm dynamic drivers that you can see through that transparent plastic to the rear. We do have those dual magnetic circuits to the top, where the wires will be inserted. The wires that we get inside the box, by the way, is a 1.2 meter optical fiber dual pin cable with a microphone attached halfway up. And just to show you guys quickly, this is how the wire should be inserted. Placing those dual pins into those sockets, on top of them ergonomically moulded earbuds, with the cable being positioned over the ears, so to help prevent the cable from resting or being pulled down with movement while you're busy working or indeed working out. Which these wired earphones should be good for fitness, as they certainly are lightweight. The TPE ear tips already fitted can be swapped out should you wish, so to provide you with a better in-ear grip and a better sound seal too. And on the top part of the earbuds, you might just be able to see that we have those rubber ear fins that simply hold the grip around the inner part of your ear, fitting somewhat very comfortably. Quite snug in fact. That is when they have indeed been properly positioned. If you do find them a bit hard to correctly set up and fit properly, well, you are provided with a very simple user guide. But yes, they do certainly have quite a different look about them, and with those short sound guide tubes, dynamic drivers, well, how do they actually sound? Let's test them out. Okay, now the earphones are placed within my ears, I must say they are quite comfortable, and the sound seal is quite magnificent too, but that's down to those ear tips that are fitted, by the way. Yes, nice and snug, but what's the audio like? Let's check it out just now. Let's press play. We're playing a bit of Ice Cube, by the way, so we're going to expect some nice deep bass. Fingers crossed. Oh, OMG! Woo! Wow. Let me just pause that. Oh my god. The bass with these earphones is absolutely fantastic. A thumping bass, and it's not too over the top either. So no, that bass isn't drowning out all the other tones. Let me just press play. Oh my god. Okay, so the high tones are fantastic too. The mid-tones, by the way, nice and upfront. We like it like that. And again, not too overpowering. And perfect, pristine low tones. These right now, no joke about it, these wired earphones are my absolute favourite wired earphones I've ever tested on this channel. That is saying a lot. I mean, wow. So yes, the audio level's well balanced with these earphones. But I've got to stop the music because I can't hear what I'm saying. Listen to this. Oh, these are deafening. The volume is super high, but when it is super high, all the levels are perfectly placed with these wired earphones. No, you don't have to have the volume at its highest level to experience some thumping bass and some impactful audio. I am absolutely loving these. It's been like 10 minutes since I've had these plugged in. I've got to say, look at this. I'm absolutely sweating. If you want some massive bass thumping earphones, these are the ones to go for right now. This is the first time on this channel. I'm going to jump right in and say these earphones right now, go and check them out in the video description down below. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not really into wired earphones as well. This is absolutely amazing. I'm really loving these earphones today. And for the price, wow, just amazing. The bass has made all the boxes drop. Jesus. But what is the microphone quality like? Let's just drop it by our side and let's speak freely. Now, yes, because they are wired earphones, you won't have any latency issues whatsoever. Now, we've actually played some footage back already, and we must say the microphone pickup is real crisp, nice and loud, and it's perfect for calls or even video recording just like this. But yes, overall, very good earphones, and I'm certainly going to keep these ones. We did test these earphones out for a massive amount of time. It really gave us an immersive sound experience. Real good sound seal with those ear tips fitted, with that bass once again being very impactful with different genres of music too. But overall, with in regards to the audio being a big 10 out of 10, the comfort also sits at 10 out of 10 too. I'm not really into wired earphones that much, especially not ones that basically hook over the ears just like these ones, but I've got to be quite honest, these really did stick into place. We did use them within our day job and they didn't hardly fall out. Okay, maybe once or twice, but nothing that would be very noticeable where it would then become annoying. These certainly will sit within my top 5 wired earphones, and I definitely 100% can recommend them. Now I have gone ahead and left a handy little link in the video description down below. Please go ahead and check it out. You won't be sorry. And all that remains me to say is, if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible. It means so much, as well as most importantly, please subscribe to this channel to show lots of support, and remembering to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on my very next uploads. Now, it has been fantastic reviewing these earphones this week. I absolutely love them and I'm not getting rid of them anytime soon. These are my #1 wired earphones to go to from now on. But as usual, guys, I hope you all like this video today. Make sure you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!